Congratulations! You woke up. You have the amazing chance to live another day. What will you do to make this day great? How will you make today count? How will you express gratitude for this opportunity? Each morning offers a fresh start, a blank canvas where you can create the masterpiece of your day. But too often, we let the little things, like traffic jams, bad weather, or other people's moods, shake our inner calm. What if you could take back control and stay serene no matter what happens? It might sound impossible, but let's break it down. We've all heard, don't sweat the small stuff, but let's dig a bit deeper. In life, there's no such thing as small or big problems. There's just how we react to them. Picture this. Someone cuts you off in traffic. Your first reaction might be anger or frustration, which can spoil the rest of your day. But remember, no real harm was done to you. It was just an event that felt threatening. I'm not saying it's okay to drive recklessly, but you do have a choice in how you respond. Instead of letting it ruin your day, you can decide to stay calm. The trick is to catch yourself before you react automatically. When something bothers you, see it for what it is, a signal from your mind, not a reality you must accept. Take a deep breath and remind yourself that you control your own feelings. Becoming someone who stays calm no matter what means learning to be unshakable and graceful. Being unshakable means staying and calm despite what's happening around you. Being graceful means handling life's ups and downs with ease. Start by paying attention to how you feel. When you start to get angry or frustrated, notice it without judging yourself. Breathe deeply, ground yourself, and remind yourself, I am in control of my feelings. At first, this might feel strange, but with practice, it will get easier. Over time, you'll find that things that used to upset you no longer have the same power to disturb your peace. As you practice staying calm, you may notice that your external world begins to change. Situations and people that used to bother you might not affect you as much. This is like tuning into a different frequency, one of peace and balance. The key is to stay committed and see each challenge as a chance to build your inner strength. Remember, the stories we tell ourselves about events can make them seem worse than they are. For example, when someone cuts you off, instead of thinking about rudeness or inconvenience, just focus on the simple fact that it happened. This helps you stay calm and makes it easier to handle the situation. Turning challenges into chances for growth can also be powerful. Every tough moment is an opportunity to practice staying calm, like lifting weights to build your emotional strength. As you do this, you're rewiring your brain to support calm and resilience. Changing deep-seated habits is like rewiring your brain. You can replace old patterns of anger with new, calm responses. By acting as if nothing bothers you, you save energy that was once spent on stress and reactivity, making room for clarity and personal power. Ancient wisdom often said the greatest achievement is to stay calm no matter what happens. This isn't about avoiding human experiences, but about fully embracing and living up to your potential. By committing to stay calm, you start walking this path today. Challenges become opportunities to strengthen your inner peace. To summarize, acting as if nothing bothers you is about taking back your power and realizing that external events don't have to disturb your inner peace. Embrace this practice with patience and a sense of fun. As you continue, you'll find it easier to navigate life with a sense of calm and inner peace. This practice not only changes how you respond to the world, but also how you handle your own emotions. By doing this, you become a source of serenity and strength, helping to create a more peaceful world around you.